If you're trying to figure out superheat and subcooling but wondering if that delta T temperature drop can just replace those measurements, let me tell you straight up, it can't. So, superheat and subcooling are like the secret sauce for making sure your air conditioning or refrigeration system is charged right. Delta T, or the temperature difference between the supply and return air, only tells you how well the system is cooling or heating. It doesn't give you the real picture of whether the refrigerant charge is correct. To get it right, you gotta measure superheat by checking the temperature of the refrigerant gas leaving the evaporator compared to its saturation temperature. Then for subcooling, you look at the liquid refrigerant temperature before it hits the expansion valve and compare that to its saturation temp too. These numbers help you fine-tune the system so it runs efficiently without wasting energy or damaging parts. Don't just eyeball it with delta T. That's like guessing if a cake is done by smelling it instead of using a thermometer. Grab the right tools like a good digital manifold gauge set and a clamp thermometer, and take your time with these steps. It'll save you headaches down the line and keep the customer happy. One of the biggest mistakes techs make is relying on delta T to figure out if the system's charged properly, but since delta T only shows performance, it won't catch an overcharge or undercharge situation. Fix this by always measuring superheat and subcooling directly. Another common issue is not knowing how to read saturation temperatures on pressure charts, which leads to wrong superheat subcooling values. Make sure you're comfortable using refrigerant pressure temperature tables or apps for accuracy. Lastly, rushing through measurements without stabilizing pressures and temps first causes inconsistent readings, so be patient and wait for the system to settle before taking your numbers. If you want a solid way to find trusted local HVAC pros who know their stuff, check out bighomeprojects.com. It's great for homeowners looking to connect with reliable contractors and for contractors who want steady work without all the hassle of marketing.